welcome back to our student podcast, ABC's Two Authors Feet Aflatoons. I am Gursimran Kaur, also known as Gursimran Didi by my beloved kids since grade 1. Here we uncover some impactful journeys and inspiring stories of young first generation learners who are shaping their future with the power of language. Bringing to you some impactful stories of determination and passion from students of government school coming from challenging backgrounds. In this episode, we have two students who have shown immense growth and a remarkable progress in learning English as a foreign language. First up, I would like to invite a determined learner who joined Aflatoons in grade 2. Last year, he could not publish the story, but this year, his hard work and improvement has paid off. He is now confidently writing and speaking in English. Let's give a huge round of applause for Sweet Sanskar.
Hello. Hello, I am Sanskar.
Hi Sanskar, thank you for coming here. Next is coming a sincere and determined student who joined us in grade 3. Initially, he was very scared and nervous of speaking in English, but now just in 4 months, he is speaking and writing confidently. Plus, he is writing all his imagination and opinions very strongly. Let us welcome Versatile Vinay.
Hello friends, my name is Vinay.
Okay, thank you so much, friends. I'm very excited to start this podcast. So, first of all, can you please share your names and one thing that you love about learning English language? I would like to tag Sanskar.
Hello, my name is Sanskar. I like to speak in English because I am go to the another country and I am ask English every children and I am make a new friends. I want to tag Vinay. My name is Vinay. I will join this school grade 3. I love to learning because he give me a confidence. I can talk to many people.
Thank you so much, Sanskar and Vinay. So, I would like to start off with Vinay asking you the first question. Vinay, what was your biggest fear when you came to school and you could not speak in English? How did you overcome all these challenges?
My biggest fear is speaking English because I will speak in English and I will afraid because I will take a wrong answer and anyone make fun of with me. Then I set a goal and I am very determined and I will try again and again and I will speak in English. I was determined and I will go my home. My mother speak in Hindi and my brother and my sister speak in Hindi also. But I will not speak in Hindi. I will come school and anyone speak in English and I think, oh, their children speak in English. And then I will think, their children speak in English, Didi speak in English, and then I will speak in English also.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Vinay, for sharing that. Next question I would like to ask is Sanskar. So, Sanskar, last year you could not publish the book, but this year you have shown a remarkable progress. What changed for you?
First, my handwriting is dirty. Didi said, improve your handwriting, and I will try. And my writing is best. Making.
Okay, you are improving your handwriting. Now your handwriting is better because you took the feedback very seriously.
I was afraid of speaking English. I will write a story Hindi and speak Hindi. I know what is the doing of computer and Didi said, Sanskar, you are learn and Didi said, Narendra, you doing, Shan, you doing, and Aliza, you doing. And Didi said, not my chance because I know English. I will write a Hindi story and I will come up grade 3 and
I tried.
I try to speak in English. I will listen Didi. I learn vocabulary building books and listen every children's.
Okay, so earlier you were very afraid of making mistakes and speaking in English, and then that is why you wrote all the stories in Hindi and you could not translate in English, right? Okay, thank you so much, Sanskar, for sharing this. Next up, I would like to ask Vinay that Vinay, what are some activities or habits or games that help you become so confident of speaking and writing in English?
First is heads and challenge. Second, read and grab. Third, football.
Okay, how did football help you?
Because football is a very pro game, but I will playing football in English. Please give me a ball. Please pass me ball. Please kick the ball. Please kick ball under the goal.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. You play one more game, I observe. Which game do you play?
Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a very best game. This is I will play Kho-Kho in English because they were playing Kho-Kho and I'm set. Please run fast and please stop.
Okay.
Please run fast.
Good, very nice. That means you integrate speaking in English with your games, which helps you. How does writing in English looks for you?
Didi gave me a sheet and prompt. I will write a story and then I could know this spelling and I will use phonics and I will have a doubt my phonics spellings and I will ask my friend and my friend saying I don't know and then I will ask ma'am saying you will ask Didi and I will ask Didi. Didi said you will use your phonics and then you will ask me and I am saying Didi I will use phonics and then I will come you and Didi tell me correct spelling and I will look my vocabulary building book and my class walls and Didi sticks some many words and these meanings and I will look and I will observe there and I will think this is a meaning this and I will write.
Okay, thank you so much. This was very helpful and very wonderful insights. Last question I would like to ask Sanskar is how did you improve or pushed yourself to speak and write better?
I listen to Didi carefully. I listen to ma'am. I see the vocabulary building book. I help my friends Vinay, Ishan, Deepak, Alisa, Narendra, and Abhinav also. My Didi said improve your writing and I will try and
In some days.
in some days my writing is better and I will also try again and my writing is making best.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. You were talking something about angel mind and monster mind also. Share.
One day my angel mind said this you speak and my mastermind said you will not speak in English, I will not speak in
Yes.
and I will leave you and I will not speak in English, my angel mind leave me and I will speak in English and my angel mind come and it helped me.
Okay, that means you listen to the angel mind because you knew that they are correct for you, right? Sanskar, one last question from you and maybe Vinay from you as well. That when you speak in Hindi with your friends or when you speak in Hindi with Didi, how do you switch to English then?
I will speak Didi Hindi and Didi saying, I don't know what are we saying and I will speak Hindi my friends and Didi said, I can hear you and anyone speaking me and Didi said, you will speaking Vinay in Hindi and then I will not speak you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Yes, Sanskar.
I will go Didi. Didi said I don't know and I will speak in Hindi and Didi said everyone not ask a Sanskar and it said English
Then only.
Then only every children ask sanskar.
Very nice. Thank you for sharing that. That means when you speak in Hindi, Didi says I don't understand, and then you have to repeat in English. Otherwise, your friends might not talk to you, right? And that scares you.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And what happens when you talk to each other in Hindi?
I will speak in anyone in Hindi saying, I will listen you and I will dancing at you. And Didi has a very
Didi has
peculiar superpower. I am go any side and Didi listen me because Didi has a superpower.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Didi said my ear have a magical powers.
Yeah, my ears have magical powers. I can hear you from anywhere. So in the recess time also, I try to hear you, and that is how you practice speaking English, right? So is it helpful?
Yes.
Okay. Is it making you confident?
Yes.
Okay, cool. High five. High five. Okay, thank you so much, Vinay and Sanskar, for coming here and inspiring many friends. So, Vinay and Sanskar, would you like to give any message to your friends who are starting to learn English? Starting off with Sanskar.
Do not scared and afraid and keep it up and you will speak in English and everyone. I want to take a Vinny.
Okay.
The more you will speak in English and more you will learn. And you will keep practice and set your goal in speak in English.
Thank you so much, Vinay and Sanskar. This was very motivating and very inspiring. Very insightful also. So, high five. Thank you so much for coming in, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
These stories remind us that learning is a journey, and with determination and with the right guidance, anything is possible. To all our listeners, I hope you are as inspired as I am. Don't forget that every step counts, no matter how small. Don't forget to subscribe and follow up for more episodes. Until next time, I, Gursimran Kaur, signing off from our student podcast, ABCs to Authors Feet Aflatoons. Keep learning, keep growing. Happy learning!
Bye friends.
Bye friends. Welcome to my channel.